Hey, it's me and Travis.
I'm Travis.
I'm me, Tyler. And we're going to talk about some random topics today that just go along with each other perfectly.
Chosen by your voters.
Yeah. We're starting with right now. We got kittens. Right now. If I had a kitten with me, they're cute, they're cuddly, they're soft, they are amazing. They poop all over the floor, they pee everywhere. And I would just want a kitten right now. Right now. Just kidding. That is gross. And that would also relate to the topic of animal abuse. It's horrible. No one likes it. Animal abuse, bad. And all the people that do animal abuse become alcoholics. And alcoholics, they're horrible. They drink all the time. Their breath smells. And they never went to college, ever. They do not go to college, which takes them out of school, and then they bomb their SATs, APs, and their finals, and that's just horrible. And then, so, they get in their car, which, well, no, they have a car. They get in their little, they have a moped.
Thank you.
Moped. And they're driving the rain, which is water coming down from the sky. It's like Jesus is crying or something. And so they're just driving to the mall to get sweaters. But this scooter emits so much greenhouse gases. It relates to global warming. Global warming, it's horrible. No one likes it. Nobody wants to die. Nobody wants to die. I already said sweaters. They went to the mall to buy sweaters. Rain. I already said rain. Rain coming down from the skies. You know what I'm saying? And then tape. They tape their tire to their moped because they're alcoholics and didn't go to college that produce global warming and animal abuse. And
Fathered anything.
I don't know. Maybe they had a stick of butter with them. And they're eating it with a spoon. What is this? This is horrible. Alcoholics. Nobody likes them.